Hello my friend, today we will review a product and give my evaluation of it. Let's get started. At first, I was sitting and browsing my computer looking to try beautiful, good products at a reasonable price. This product appeared to me at a good price, so I said why not try it. Then I bought the product, and waited to come, then waited. Then I waited, then waited, and finally the product arrived. Hello sir, thank you so much. Now we will review it and give an evaluation of it. Let's go. And now we will go to try it abroad to see its quality, and give an evaluation of it. Let's go try this product. I give my rating for this product of 8 out of 10. Because it seems good to me and will help in daily life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by subscribing and liking. Thank you guys.